I hope you're doing well and taking care of yourself and of each other and drinking your water. Today I'm just going to be doing a little winterizing, just things that I do to help keep my hydrangeas and also my calla lilies so that they don't freeze throughout the winter. This has worked for me, and I'm just going to give you some little tips, so hopefully you can incorporate them in your yard if you feel they could be helpful. So yeah, here we go. So the first thing that I do, I'm going to cut the rest of this on down. It looks like some new growth or stuff under here too. You see that new growth right there? It's actually growing like brand new. I'm just gonna also pull, well actually I'm gonna leave these in here because I don't know, because some of them are still alive. The next thing I'm gonna do is just put some leaves in here. They call them recovery bags. I got these from Lowe's. I'm just gonna cover it. It actually provides, it insulates it from the cold. And so that it might get cold inside, but it's not gonna get frosted. So it's gonna be covered instead of just being straight frosted. I might look and see if I got some other bags as well, just to make it double insulated, because sometimes these bags will tear. So I found some old bags as well. What I'm gonna do is put these older bags on the bottom and then like put the newer bag on top. And if you're wondering, I'm not gonna water it because it's cold right now and it could end up frosting or freezing, and I don't want the plant to freeze as a result of me watering it right now. One nail. Put these older bags on first. Probably do one of the older bags, because I got 2 more pots to do like this, so this is going to help. I'm just basically letting it sit, moving the pot to where the bags are up under the pot so the wind doesn't blow it away. And so when it's rained on, it just gets rained on, but it's almost like a greenhouse effect. Okay, let's go back over to this other one over here. worry about the frost getting up in. This one looks like this. I'm just going to put the bag out just forward because I've got more green in this than I did in the other. Still got airflow. Both of them still have airflow. This one right here done poked over this one a couple of times. But still, the frost is not going to get it. And that was my main concern. These are some planters I had, so I'm just going to pull this up. This is actually basil. Now the basil was actually going to seed. It was creating babies, which is good. We all love free plants. Love free plants. This out the house because it kept falling over. It kept overgrowing even the containers that I was putting in it just kept doing it. So I just took it out of the house and put it out here. I'm just letting this thing do what it wants to do. This is aloe vera. Seems to be doing pretty good out here though. But yeah, that's what's going on right here. Aloe vera plant. Worms in there. That's a good thing. I guess I disturbed them. Of course, this right here is mint. I'm leaving that alone. Okra plant, it did so good this year. I'm so happy about it. Super happy about this okra plant. I definitely will be growing okra again. The other day, I was changing out my bird stuff, and my little finch feeder, I guess it had expired, so I got another one today. Yeah, I have to figure out my allergies are worse. So this little thing, it goes in that little hole and goes out the other end too. So what I'm gonna do, shake it all the way down first, and then I'm going to plug it through, just like so. So they have a little perch. saying goodbye to those big boy tomatoes? Big boy tomatoes are gone. This is the basil. Now, thank you so much for the greenery that you've given me and the beautifulness that you shared. Au revoir, mi amor. Probably like snowberries.